Today, I'll show you how to change the name on your Expedia account, whether you recently changed your legal name, spotted a typo, or just want your profile to match your travel documents. Updating it is quick and straightforward when you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll also share a few tips to help you avoid issues with your future bookings. First, you'll need to sign in to your Expedia account. Open your web browser and go to the Expedia website, then log in using your usual credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you've ever used more than one email for travel bookings. It's important that the account you're changing is the one you actively use for your trips and reservations. Once you're signed in, look for your profile icon. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. It might appear as a small person-shaped icon or as your initials or profile picture, depending on how your account is set up. Click that profile icon to open a small menu related to your account. From that menu, go to the account section. The wording may vary slightly depending on your region, but it will typically say something like account or account settings. Click on that to open your main account management page. This is where you can control most of your personal information and preferences. Within your account settings, look for the profile section. This is the area where your personal details are stored. Once you're in the profile section, find the basic information area. This is where your name and sometimes other personal details like your email address are displayed. There should be an edit button or an option that clearly allows you to modify this basic information. Click the edit button in the basic information section to start changing your name. You'll now be able to type in the new name you want associated with your Expedia account. Take your time here and enter your name exactly as you want it to appear. If you're changing it to match your passport or government ID, double check spelling, middle names, and any special characters. This is especially important because airlines and hotels may compare the name on your reservations with your official documents. After you've updated your name, review everything once more before you save. Make sure there are no extra spaces, no missing letters, and that the order of your first and last name is correct. When you're confident everything looks right, save the changes. Look for a save or confirm button and click it. Expedia should then update your account profile with your new name. Once the changes are saved, it's a good idea to refresh the page or go back to your profile to confirm that your new name is showing correctly. Keep in mind that changing your profile name does not automatically change the name on existing reservations. If you already have trips booked, you may need to contact Expedia support or the airline directly to see whether a name correction is possible and if any fees apply. And that's it. You've successfully changed the name on your Expedia account.